He will probably be giving us some few remarks later on. Father Balinya, Kongselagala, Your Highness.
Marvin Rogers Chibuka Bosa to the outstanding contribution to the community service through art, music, and entertainment. Signed Owichitiwa.
Mugisaze ne mugimalawo.
Launching Lubugo in the UK for funerals, dresses.
In the community here in the UK and in Uganda, and he once wanted even to be president of Uganda.
Okay, I think okay, that's the last one. Let's have one.
There's a real importance, and the importance being the transition of that spirit from this world into the next world. If it's not done correctly, it's bad luck, and what you don't want to be taken into the next world, regardless of your.
He will probably be giving us some few remarks later on. Father Balinya, Kongselagala, Your Highness.
At the same end, but not completely the same end. Depends again on who you want to serve.
Yes, this is our venue. This is the reception area. You saw the other video, we came from outside. So this is the reception area. It's been set up for Mafembala Musiza. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ndiko T.Cribbs, and the main entrance here T.Cribbs in Gabo Mulabo. Kapa Kayeno Wano. Then